Ang problema kasi dito sa lupa ng Pilipinas, maraming nag-aagawan. Sinasabi nila na ito amin, may iba rin nagsabi na amin rin ito.
Napakalaking problema ngayon dito sa ating bayan sa nagkalat ng milyong-milyon na peking titulo dahil sa napakalaking scam o land scam na nangyayari dito sa ating bayan.
Something really should be done if we must establish some element of justice and peace in the country. That should be one of the policies of government to settle this issue of the land problems. Some people claim this land by reason of ancestral origins. Some people claim this land, it was donated by the friars. Other people claim this land, they used to be the datus in that area. So the claims have always been conflicting. In any area of the country, name the area, and the kind of problem that exists in Metro Manila exists also in those areas. You know, before, many of these lands were vacant. And any vacant land where they do not see anybody occupying can be titled with the use of fake decrees. Normally, a decree is based on a registration proceeding. When you file a registration proceeding, there is a decree issued by the court before a title could be issued. The decree defines the boundaries of the land based on our touring system. For instance, you take a look at the titles. Most of the titles originate from a decree. In many big lands in Metro Manila, the decrees come from other places. There are millions of fake titles in the Philippines as of today. One of the many millions of fake titles. I don't have to mention names, no, for now, but this is a property in San Jose del Monte. The original certificate of title from which it was taken is original certificate title number 166. LRA issued a certification that this so-called subdivision plan for a parcel of land in San Jose del Monte is for a parcel of land existing in two different towns of Quezon Province.
Itong pinag-uusapan ngayon na problema dyan sa North Triangle na naglaban ang pamilya Francisco at ang National Housing Authority, ang parehong gamit ng OCT ay yung OCT 735. Nakakuha din kami ng certification sa LRA na itong decree number na gamit nila na 17431 ay matatagpuan sa Mauban, Quezon Province. Wala sa Quezon City. Ang OCT 383 na gamit ng Ayala Corporation, nakakuha ng certified true copy yung yumaong kaibigan natin, si Mr. Senon Marcos, na magpapatunay na ang lupa ng Ayala ay wala sa Makati. Nasa Quezon Province. At ang gamit din ng Ortigas na OCT, according sa decree number ng sinasabing titulo nila, ay matatagpuan sa Florida Blanca. Wala sa Pasig, wala sa San Juan, ang lupa ng Ortigas. Kamukha nitong OCT 543, nakapangalan sa Republika ng Pilipinas. Dalawang decree number ang ginagamit, itong 4974 and 4975. At ito ay may land area lamang na 233 square meters. At ito ay matatagpuan sa Misamis City. Pero hanggang ngayon, ginagamit ng NHA sa mga housing projects ng gobyerno. Kahit napakalaki ng problema ng gobyerno. Pati gobyerno, peke titulo.
Come out by leaps and bounds. As a matter of fact, there are properties which have 3 titles. And the reason for that is graft and corruption on the level of LRA plus the Register of Deeds. sa pagsimula sa corruption ditong bansa natin, nangyayari ito because this is the easiest way of making money. And it's not easy to be immediately discovered that you grab lands. Ay, right ng gobyerno yan because mga masyadong mayayaman, mga oligarchs na yan. At yung oligarchs nakakabayad ng pera doon sa register of deeds and sa Land Registration Authority. Alam mo, dito sa bansa natin pera is the greatest currency. Integrity, principles, the law are forgotten simply because money is involved, and money leads to corruption. The reason, as they say, for every crime, for every huge wealth, for every great properties, there is also a huge crime behind it, and that's the case here. Land is the only thing that lasts. And any of the problems that's attended to land is beginning to last also in this country unless the government does something about it. The central point really in the solution of this problem is with government. First, it should be a national policy on the part of the current administration, more especially the president, to solve these problems. How do they solve it? First, determine the genuineness of the titles and the genuineness and the validity of the ownership claims. And the current president keeps on saying that we should travel the straight road and not the crooked road, meaning there should be no graft and corruption with respect to the titles. It's about time that something is done about it by eradicating the fake titles, and only the genuine titles should remain. With our democratic experience and the provisions of the Constitution, it only depends on a president who knows his business and whose advisors know the law.
Sana dumating ang araw na lahat ng ating mga kababayang Pilipino ay magkaroon ng matatawag nilang tunay na sila ang nagmeme-ari ng lupa. At sana dumating ang araw na wala ng squatter na Pilipino dito sa ating bayan.